coffee, tea, and rum. One day the tonguing is done, take our leave and go. At a fair in the sun of town, her hair was blonde and this was around. She made a whaler man come around.
Coming off of a gentle downwind cruise, I noticed a gravel bar off to the side forming a tiny cove, and I decided to check it out. The woods opened up to a very faintly defined trail, very mysterious. I descend from the windy point and I start to make my way back to the boat along the shoreline. This is one of several species of invasive carp that wreak havoc on native fish populations of the waters of the Cumberland and Tennessee rivers. I believe this is what's commonly known as a silver carp, and these Asian carp are really a serious problem for this area. Anytime you talk to anyone about fishing or the lakes, inevitably the subject of the invasive carp comes up. It's very noticeable, and yes, I have had them jump in the boat with me before.